it will be saved automatically. Now, if we close this window, we can see that we indeed do have our angry orc here in the list. Alright, now that we've created the mobile, we might want to place it somewhere. This can be done in several different ways. The first way is to use this Insert Mobile tool. The tool options window will display the different options for this mobile. The Insert Mobile tool will insert all mobiles that have this checkbox here checked. If you, well, I'll get to that later. Okay, now that we have it checked, we can just use the Insert Mobile tool and insert it right by clicking on the desired room, like this. Now, there's a small M character on the top right corner of the room, and that indicates that there's a mobile present in that room. We have selected the room now, and we can see here in the zone commands that there's a mobile, an angry orc. That's level 20 in the room. Yay! Okay, that's one way of inserting mobiles. The second way is to hold down your left mouse button here and drag the mobile to the desired room, like this. Yay, there we can see that the other room also has an angry orc now. The third way is if we select a group of rooms, like this, we can insert the checkboxed mobile or mobiles into the selected room from the Operate menu and selecting Insert Mobile. And there we can see that all these rooms now have an angry orc. But since we probably don't want that many orcs here, we can just, once again, from the Operate menu and go to the Clear menu and clear all zone commands. Alright, now the mobiles are gone. But I do want a couple of orcs there, so let's just select a few rooms like this and insert mobiles. Yay, there we have 3 orcs, 4 orcs, 5 orcs! Now that we have orcs, we better make some other kind of interesting mobile, like an angry dwarf. Let's make this female dwarf. Yay! Angry dwarf. A dwarf is here snarling. Let's make it level 20 as well. Its alignment will be pure good. Position, standing, mob class. Let's make it warrior. Attack name hit. Once again, calculate from level. Yay. Attributes, resistance. Let's make mental resistance 5. And this dwarf is very angry. Some flags once again. Alright, let's close it, and there we have the angry dwarf. Let's put this angry dwarf here in the overview. Yay! Alright, there we have it, an angry dwarf. Now that we have 2 mobiles here, I can show you how the checkboxes work. If you click just one of the checkboxes, all the other checkboxes will clear. Except if you have the Shift key pressed and then you click the checkboxes, you can select several mobiles at the same time. And now, if you use the Insert Mobile tool and click on a room, we can see that it inserted both the mobiles in the room, which is quite convenient, probably, in some situations. Alright, let's uncheck these. And now that we have a bunch of mobiles hanging around in these areas here, let's make some objects. Like, for example, we'd probably want our angry orc have a helmet. So, let's select from the Objects window of the Actions menu and add New Object. Once again, our new object is added to the list, and the window will open to edit this object. Alright, let's make it a huge helmet. This helmet is huge. It is type armor, material steel, quality poor, level 20, weight something, durability something, the other. And over here we have the object values, which I've called type-based values. Right now, the type-based value, all the different item types have the generic type-based values, which are just 4 numeric values. In the future, there will be in the future, this box will change according to which type of object you have selected. So you can easily select the type of armor this item is. But since that has yet not been implemented, let's just ignore that for now. Here we go. Once again, click the pretty flags, and over here we can open the effects window, and let's not open that. Yeah, here we have the attributes. Well, it says strength +1. And over here we have the extra descriptions for this object. Alright, this object looks good. Let's close it, and we have the huge helmet here. Alright, now we probably want to give it to our orcs. So, the basic and probably the hardest way to do this is you can edit the zone command of the angry orc, and it opens the zone command edit window, which has all the variables of the zone command, and in the Windows menu we can also open zone commands that are dependent on that zone command. And I'm calling these instanced zone commands. And over here we can add an object to this zone command, which is our angry orc, and we can select a huge helm from the list. Yeah. Alright. There we go. And we can see that a plus sign has appeared in front of the angry orc. If we click it now, we can see that it indeed has a huge helm under it. Yay. Okay. But since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orcs, it would be kind of tedious to add it to each one by hand like this. So let's delete this for now.